Most people who are making the biggest mistakes with their eye exercises are those who are doing them unguided and excessively. Often they're doing eye exercises with the aim of improving their visual resolution, also known as visual acuity, and this may be because they may have myopia blurring their far sight and wish to improve it, or it may be because they have a lazy eye that has only developed a relatively low resolution from childhood. Whatever the case may be, this video is designed to help you understand the little known issue with over-exercising our eye muscles. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, I'm optometrist Martin Aguzi. I make eye knowledge videos to help you see better, see more comfortably, and help you to keep your eyes precious. If you find value from these videos, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, followed by the notification bell for more videos like this. Whatever the reason you're doing eye exercises, the key thing to understand is that your eye muscles are well-tuned tension devices designed for a specific role in the eye. Eye care professionals and doctors such as optometrists, ophthalmologists and orthoptists are concerned with specific eye exercises that are known to fix specific problems with muscle coordination and also visual processing. Our eyes have internal muscles that function in a mostly automatic way, as well as external muscles that move the eyes around in a range of mostly voluntary ways to position our eyes in different positions of gaze on objects of interest. Our internal muscles deal with pupil size control and the process of accommodation or auto-focusing on near objects of interest. Eye care professionals usually prescribe eye exercises due to an imbalance in the tension of at least one of the external muscles of the eye that controls movement of the eyeball in different positions of gaze. Each eyeball has 6 external muscles responsible for its movement, and the tension of each muscle has to be balanced with its equal and opposite counterpart in the other eye. Now, if you don't experience double vision or have a history of binocular vision problems, then your muscles will usually be working perfectly well in a coordinated fashion to allow you to look around without issue. The danger in doing regular and intensive exercises designed to isolate underperforming external eye muscle pairs when they're already balanced and not lacking tone is that you can, in theory, break the balance in muscle tone that exists. This then theoretically can create problems that didn't exist there before, leading to more visual discomfort, double vision in extreme cases. An example of this would be overtraining the medial rectus muscles using the well-known pentanose or pencil push-up exercises, for example. The result would be an imbalance between the tension of the 6 muscles that coordinate the eyes, a bit like that guy in the gym with a huge upper body and bird legs. Eventually, something's got to give, and problems like double vision and headaches could result. Now, this may be less of an issue for the internal eye muscles in the eye that control autofocusing and pupil size, because these muscle types are different to the ones of the external eye. However, because we know that there is a harmonious working between the way that the eyes turn in, the pupils dilate, and the eyes autofocus, there is also a theoretical risk of breaking this relationship and introducing more visual discomfort. Now, on the plus side, it does take a lot of intense muscle training over time to really affect the kind of change in muscle tone that could destabilize the muscles in adult eyes. Children's eyes would likely take less to affect such changes, but this ability to overcorrect ocular muscle problems is the reason why eye care professionals prescribe eye muscle exercises along with regular monitoring, measurements, and the necessary regime review at set time intervals. Herein lies my main complaint with the idea of people following any old eye exercise in isolation. It's the lack of monitoring and repeated measurement of progress that is particularly dangerous in my view. So fortunately, most people get fed up and give up on exercises long before it becomes a real problem. So am I saying that all exercises are bad and that you should only do them after you've paid an eye care professional a ton of money for the pleasure? No. In fact, there are several situations where anyone can do eye exercises on their own, as well as times when you definitely need the assistance and the expertise of an eye care professional. Appropriate eye exercises that anyone can do unsupervised include gentle eye exercises that can be very helpful to relieve tired eyes by helping circulation, hydration of the eyeball surface, and relief of muscle tension after holding your gaze on computers, for example, for hours on end. On the flip side, improving your vision for competitive sports is a great example of when consulting a professional like a sports vision therapist could be essential. The bottom line is that you should stop any intensive, unguided eye exercises that you are doing over a long period of time that you can't measure the results of. The potential harm that this may cause just simply may not be worth it. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like a video on eye exercises that I would recommend you do for visual stress, focus, hydration of the eyes, or for my thoughts on exercise programs such as the Bates method. I'll leave a link to a video that I've made on the Bates method previously in the description box below so you can check that out. Also, let me know what your experience has been with eye exercises. Have they helped you? Have they made things worse? Do check out all the links for the show in the description box below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell as well. And until next time, keep your eyes precious with more eye knowledge videos from me recommended by YouTube on this page.